This video is about how to create your first project inside of StoryBook. As soon as you log into StoryBook, the first screen you're going to see is the My Project screen. This is the screen where all of the projects that you have available for use inside of StoryBook will be listed. Let's go ahead and click here to create a new project. It's going to bring up a dialog box, and the first item in the dialog is going to be where you would choose the preset for use in this particular project. We'll discuss later what a preset is and how to go about setting this up in the global options. Let's go ahead and enter in a project title. Now you can enter this in two different ways. You could enter in John Smith, but usually people want to see the last name, comma, space, a first name. What we've done inside of StoryBook is we've allowed you to enter in the last name, then a comma, and then a space, and then the first name, and then it automatically separates them and puts them here in their appropriate field for last name or first name. Let me give you an example. Let's type in Johnson, comma, Bill. Now as soon as I hit the tab button, or click anywhere outside of this field, it's automatically going to pull the word Johnson down here to last name and take Bill and put it over here at first name. Now it's not going to do that unless I put it in this exact order, which is last name, comma, space, first name. Otherwise, you'll have to go in and fill this out separately. Let's go ahead and enter in the street address. We don't have to enter in a client ID, but it is there and available for you to enter in, and it will print on your reports if you enter one. Let's go ahead and put that in. The same thing is true with the claim number and the policy number. They are not required fields, but if you want them printed on the pages of your report, then it would be important to enter that information here. Let's go ahead and hit Submit Form, and it will create your new project. And so here is what it's going to look like after you've entered in all of that information. It's going to give you the name, the address of the client, as well as the claim number, policy number, and client IDs that you entered if you entered them. If you did not enter them, then nothing will be present here in this space. It's also going to take the claim number and policy number, and it's going to print it at the bottom of every page of the report, as many insurance companies require that that be done when sending them correspondence. And that's about all there is to creating your first project inside of StoryBook.